Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Azul Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Ukraine really welcomes crypto as Ukraine passes legislation to recognize and regulate crypto in their country. The second thing I want to talk about, it's Solana, because Solana tops now $200, and well, many people compare it to ETH, what ETH has done back in 2017. So let's talk about that as well. And also another one that Edward Snowden says that competing nations now under pressure to acquire Bitcoin following El Salvador. So what kind of pressure is here? What can happen? Guys, all this in today's video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel but you really would like to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, then here we go. Subscribe, the button all, that's the only thing you have to do. And then, of course, you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out. And like this channel and, make that great thumbs up to blue, because that helps YouTube algorithm to spread the information. And also, it's a feedback for me. Right, and now let's move on and check out how the market looks like. So as you can see, Bitcoin, it's still right now going sideways. So we had this big, massive drop, talking about 20%, roughly speaking, all the way down to 42,000 something. And then, of course, it went back and yeah, now sideways, nothing major happening. Ethereum, a little bit up. Almost 4%, 3,460 US dollar. And now we have, let's check out the winners. The winners of the last 24 hours. And we have IOST 45% up. We have Ray going up 36%, Aaron 34%, and many of them performing very, very well. So why Bitcoin going sideways, not continuously crashing? It's great for altcoins, as we can see. And when we're looking at the losers, we have Perp going down 12%, eCash 7, Quant 4, and basically that's it. So today, overall, we're having a great day. And when we're looking at the Bitcoin chart, then one important thing to look at, which can happen in basically any days, in the next couple of days, is this golden cross. The golden cross is when the 50-day moving average crosses the 200-day moving average from under. So this way, the yellow one is the 50-day moving average and the blue one is the 200-day moving average. And this is definitely a bullish sign. So many people hope that this can actually make a great start. And but yes, we had this major red candle here, and many times it happened in the past as well. When this plays out, the big candle, then we're going for a week or so sideways, even can a bit more go down all the way to 42,000. It's also possible, maybe worst case in the 40,000, and then come back. So in very short term, we can be a kind of bearish with Bitcoin. It would be important for Bitcoin to go and stay above this 200-day moving average. Now we're actually on it, but it would be nice to go above it, reaching like 47,000, and then this can bring us back to the game for Bitcoin. But why things are going sideways for Bitcoin and nothing major is happening, there's quite good mood in this crypto land right now. Therefore, as you can see, altcoins performing very well. And let's move on to the first news. It's all about Ukraine, because Ukraine passes legislation to recognize and regulate crypto. Another great news, this time from Ukraine, because here's this article which shows that Ukraine passes legislation to recognize and regulate crypto. Ukraine is hoping its new digital asset regulation will attract foreign crypto exchanges to set up shop in the Eastern European nation. So they would like to have people over there doing crypto business. The Ukrainian parliament has adopted legislation regulation foreign and domestic cryptocurrency exchanges operating from within the country. Anastasia Bratko, of the Ministry of Digital Transformation said the law allows companies to launch virtual assets markets in Ukraine and enable banks to open accounts for crypto companies. Ukrainians will also be able to declare their income in virtual assets, she said, adding that the new law guarantees judicial protection of the rights to virtual asset owners. An announcement from the ministry emphasized that the country will receive additional tax revenues to the budget, which will be paid by crypto companies. And also, yeah, well, here's basically the point added. And also the Deputy Minister of Digital Transformation of Ukraine, Alexander Bornyakov, said that it will become a powerful incentive for the further development of the crypto sphere in Ukraine. Banks will open accounts from them and conduct transactions with a new class of assets. I'm sure the society, business, and the state will benefit from the legalization of the new sector of the economy. And guys, check this out. When you're looking at this kind of data, which country or government that owns Bitcoin, we have actually here two countries right now on the list. It's Bulgaria and Ukraine. Well, probably now El Salvador, but it's not on the list yet. But look, Ukraine, and let's zoom into it, owns 46,351 Bitcoin. This is more than $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. This is a big amount, so they're definitely crypto friendly, and they would like to offer their service to others, and they would like to build a big crypto society in Ukraine. So this is definitely great news. You know, yeah, well, this is one country, other will follow. Okay, and now let's move on to the next topic. The next topic is all about Solana, which is actually killing it right now. I still have a little bit cold, so I had to quickly blow my nose. Sorry for it. Right. So the second topic is Solana. We have to talk about Solana because Solana is actually over the moon. It's over $200 right now, and it's going tremendously well. I do remember in July I bought Solana on $26. And I was like, well, okay, this could be a good investment. Have I thought about this? Definitely not. So it's basically very good what Solana is now doing. And look, Sol actually tops, as they say, $200 US, as Google search data shows peak retail interest. So here's the data, and people now, it's like, wow, what the heck is Solana? What is doing it? So everybody's now searching it, investing in it, and this is, of course, which pushed the price higher. And well, yeah, today is the day when it happened. So money has been flowing into Solana and other Ethereum alternatives capable of handling a much larger volume of transaction for lower fees compared to Ethereum, the world's largest smart contract blockchain. So what we can see now, that all these Ethereum killers, called them like this, Cardano recently have done very well. Now Solana is absolutely killing it, but then we have Avalanche, we have Elrond, and some of the others which also doing pretty well. And one thing I wanted to point out is many people say now that Solana could be the Ethereum of 2021. In a way that what Ethereum did back in 2017 in that bull run. And I have for you just a short snapshot here. I would like to zoom in. You can see the price. Okay, so now we're talking about here. This is 1st of January 2017 when Ethereum is $8. This is the beginning of the year, right? Then we move on, and I would like to compare where we are right now. This is actually September the 10th. Back in 2017, Ethereum is 288. And I found another, this is January 2018, when Ethereum It's 1,246 US dollar. And we do know that the peak for Ethereum, but I couldn't find the snapshot, was at 1,500, roughly speaking. So where is Solana right now? If it continues like this, it could be like 5 times this much. It can actually easily reach, not easily, but like reach 1,000 at the peak of the bull market, if we stay bullish, if things play out, for Bitcoin and for all the others, definitely. So there's a big if in this story, but really Solana, it's now doing very well, and this is something what Ethereum has done back in 2017. It was a great investment, and it turned out to be a great one, and it's still around. It's still a great investment. So yeah, not financial advice, very, very important. I just wanted to show you because people talking about it, let's compare it. Okay, next one. The next one, it's all about this, what El Salvador has done, that accepting now Bitcoin as legal tender. And now we have Edward Snowden saying that competing nations now under pressure to acquire Bitcoin following El Salvador. So let's talk about that. What has happened on the 7th of September, because El Salvador using now Bitcoin as a legal tender. This is actually a major step in this whole crypto sphere. And actually, Edward Snowden is also saying that now the pressure is on for many, many countries. If you don't know that, he's the former computer intelligence consultant for National Security Agency and contractor for Central Intelligence Agency, CIA. He was saying that today Bitcoin was formally recognized as legal tender in the first country. Beyond the headlines, there is now pressure on competing nations to acquire Bitcoin, even if only as reserve assets, as its design massively incentives early adoption. Latecomers may regret hesitating. So now the pressure is on. Shall we wait? Shall we do it? What shall we do anyway? And this goes basically for smaller nations. And now many others. I don't want to read out a lot of things. For example, JP Morgan said in June that the move by El Salvador could be the beginning of a broader trend among similarly situated smaller nations. So probably the smaller ones want to pick up because they kind of need it. But at this point, I would like to point out one important thing, and this is the education. Because guys, what they have in this is countries, it's currencies which, inflate. Some of them hyperinflate. And then they receive now Bitcoin. And we do know how volatile Bitcoin is. So guess what? Now it's, everybody is happy, Bitcoin. And now maybe the bullish period is coming. Wow, great news, Bitcoin. But guys, with no education, guess what? End of the bull run. Bitcoin, massive dump. Going down, for instance, 80-70%. So they have a volatile, they have a currency which inflates, plus they get Bitcoin, which crashes. And when we do not educate them to handle Bitcoin in a different way, then this definitely can cause some troubles. So education is the key. This is the reason why I'm doing this whole YouTube channel, because I would like to keep you up to date. I would like to do these things for you. You understand what's happening. I have links under the video, like a free course, how to start investing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, how to do it safely. And it's all the things what people have to learn, especially in a country where they say Bitcoin is a legal tender. So yeah, pressure is on for other countries, but this brings education in the highlight, because without education, they can mess up the whole thing. Okay, that's it for today. Tomorrow, of course, I'm coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Smash the like button if you like this kind of content, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would like to receive this daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news. I wish you an amazing day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.